Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the Honor X70i. Alright, so to do it we need to open up our WhatsApp. Now we need to click on those three dots on the top right corner and now click on settings. Now we need to find the chats. Now scroll down a little bit and click on chat backup. Now under the Google account, select your Google account that you are currently logged in, or if you are interested in adding another account, click on right here. In here, simply type your new Google account, and also if you want, you can create a new one by clicking right in here. Remember that in the future, when you want to restore your backup, you will need to be logged in into the same Google account, which is selected right in here. Below also we have the automatic backups. Defaultly it will be set on off, currently it's on the weekly as you can see. But also you can select the daily, monthly or only when I tap backup mode. So it's completely up to you. And that basically means that now each week the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. So it's pretty nice and convenient option. Below we have option to include the videos. As you can see, 1 megabyte will be uploaded. And now on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on, in here basically you create a unique password that you will need to restore your backup right in the future. So if you forget it, there is no other way to restore your backup. So if you create it, don't forget it. Alright, and now all you need to do is to tap on this green button, backup. Okay, and now as you can see the backup has been successfully made. You can also see when the last backup was made. You got the hour and the size of it. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.